Hello people, welcome back to the another episode of Logging It. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can record or make video in Snapchat. Now then, first of all, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Tap open the app and you need to get logged in into your account at first by providing the correct username and password for the account. Once you open Snapchat, all you need to do is tap and hold the circular record button and keep it for 60 seconds. Once the circular red line is completed, it will split the video in 10-second segments as Snapchat only records 60 seconds and each video will be about 10-second segments, which you can later individually edit it and send it or save it. I'm just gonna make it 3 videos. You can see it's done. While recording a video on Snapchat, there's a time limit of 60-second video that you click on Snapchat. You can record any less than 60 seconds. That is, if you want to record for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you can do that by holding on to the record button. Now you can either decorate or send your snaps to your friends from here. You can see the options of editing on the right side, the text, clip edit, trim, adding music and other attachment. You can mute this sound over here as well. You can see you can save the story as well, or you can either directly add it to your stories as well and either send it as well. You can send it to your friends as well. I'm just gonna tap on save. And with this process, you can easily record the video on Snapchat. Hope this process of recording a video on Snapchat was useful to you. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.